287,700. That simply means physically we have more stock than what we have on record. Therefore, it means we are going to have a trading stock surplus. The other way to ascertain if it's a trading stock surplus, you simply look at the amount that you have here, and then you say, what is the difference between 278,000 and 287,700? And how much is your difference? Your difference is going to be 9,700. 9,700. And that means the difference you're going to add it here, so that when you say 278 plus the 9.7, it gives you 287,700. So that 9.7, since we're adding it, it's a trading stock surplus. To understand what is trading stock surplus, it is when the stock on hand physically is more than the stock according to the business records. Then we have a trading stock surplus. So trading stock surplus is therefore considered other income. I'm going to come here and I'm going to now say trading stock surplus. Trading stock surplus. And on my trading stock surplus, I open my bracket. Remember, I had my 278,000 plus the 9,000. Remember that? But for me to get the 278, I say 284 minus the 6,000. You remember that? Okay, so to make it easy, I'm just going to say the 287,700 here, the 287,700, and then I subtract my 278,000 here minus my 278,000 here. Once I do that, then I'm going to have my 9,700 being my trading stock surplus, which is income. If it was not a surplus, it was going to be a deficit. A deficit simply means the physical stock on hand is less than what is on the business records. Therefore, we end up with a trading stock deficit. But in this case, it was a trading stock surplus. So let's continue with our trading stock surplus. Okay. Then the next one, the next adjustment. Are we good? All right, let's continue. Our next adjustment then says, on 28 February, credit sales, remember, we have dealt with this one. A further amount of bad debts of 1.4 must be written. Okay, let's see. I think you have seen now that our adjustments are related. We had adjustment number 1, which spoke about the markup. It related with adjustment number 2, which spoke about the goods that were not recorded. And our adjustment number 2 of the goods not recorded related with adjustment number 3, which gave us the physical stock on hand. Okay, so it is very important that you relate these adjustments. And then now you see adjustment number 2 now relates with the adjustment that has to do with bad